Hello Facebook, it's Tony Tuesday. Today I have had a lot of customers actually detail their cars as their own, but they asked me how can they get their tailpipe looking brand new again. Mud stain, a little rust on it, but we're gonna clean it so it looks brand new. First you need your gloves and your mask, because what we're gonna use today is what we call the wire wheel acid. You clean wheels with it, but it works great on mufflers. Kind of spray on the tailpipe and also let it sit for a minute. You can also do the chrome and everything, but don't do it while it's real hot. You can also spray the muffler. Well, like I say, don't do it in a windy condition because this wire wheel acid will blow back in your face and probably injure your eyes. Make sure you get both sides. Just simple, take your water hose and rinse it off. If you look at it again, looks like a brand new tailpipe. That's Tony's Tuesday tip. I'll see you next week.